some local train or something, because the like, what I'm not sure is, you know, I just don't. What they said was I could go down to Portsmouth and go cross country, you know, but I just think that's going to take ages.
Safety information is displayed in all coaches.
Working, I don't know, maybe there's...
Do try to keep all personal items with you. If you see anything suspicious, please tell a member of staff.
As well as going to the church, which we could do on the way, we could actually go into the church, and because I spoke to somebody who lives sort of opposite yesterday. So let me just give you the details, just in case I don't make it. It's this is Windsor, and Windsor, W-I-N-D-S-O-R. I think her address is 232. It's called Evergreen, the house, and that's on Burley Road. But actually, if you get there before 11:30, sorry, if you arrive at the church before 11:30, she should be there, because they're going to be open. They're having some sort of, I don't know, practice or carols or something. So, but then if we're later than that, then we have to go, you know, to go along to her house and get the key. But but her phone number, actually, if you want the phone number, it's 01425 672270. And what I was actually going to do was also to, you know, try to tactfully ask a few questions about the vicar, who I've actually spoken on the phone. He sounds very nice, but I thought we could find out what sort of, you know, age he is, you know, that kind of thing. So I think what I'd better do then is simply, you know, well, if I have any more news when I get to Woking, you know, but I think I'd better to just stay at Woking rather than go to Portsmouth somehow. It's just going to take ages, and you know, I just hope for the best, really. So sorry about this, real nuisance. So okay, so if you can tell Wendy, I don't actually have a mobile number, but she doesn't usually use it. She's driving anyway. So okay, all right. Okay, all right. Hope all goes well. Okay, bye bye. Bye.